Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to do Google Analytics on WordPress. So this is a setup guide for you. So it's really simple. So step 1 is signing up to your Google Analytics by creating an account if you don't have one. So you have to click admin and then create an account and then follow the steps that are given to you basically. So time, date, name and where your business is and then how you want your business objectives to line up with your actual Google Analytics you have to select right here. So you can start collecting data via web, Android, or iOS, and then name your site basically, and then the website URL, create the stream basically, and then get your measurement ID. So this will be important for you because you will be able to integrate this to other applications and not just Google Analytics. So you get the installation instructions by scanning a URL and choosing your website platform right here. You get your unique copy ID tag and then you will just have to add the ID into your own WordPress site. So you go to your WordPress basically, select the traffic tab and then Google section. It's going to be labeled as Google Analytics Management or Measurement ID. Paste the tag in and then you'll be able to do advanced options for shop owners and this will be in your discretion of course. So once you've done that, now you'll be able to track Google Analytics on your WordPress without going to Google Analytics and it's already built in within your WordPress. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.